Happy Valentine's Day. Let's shop. This is Ross. They had the cutest things. I just love the little, you never know what you're going to find at Ross. I feel like Ross is just underrated. I love going there because they just always have little surprising things that you never know what you're going to find there. And they have pretty things too. Look at their frames. Oh my gosh. Does anybody else love frames like me? Look at the cute little heart frames. They're just so sweet for, putting a picture of somebody you love in there or a sweet little Bible verse about love. I would love doing that. So many pretty pink frames too. I don't know. I just love all the little frames. Frames are fun. It's a great way to decorate a space and personalize it with your own little photo or print out of something that you love that brings you happiness. That's just me though. But oh, I thought that one was really cute too. And oh, the pillows. They had the prettiest little Valentine's pillows. Oh my gosh, they had so many pillows. I just couldn't get over them all. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That floral design. It's just lovely and so sweet. Look at the little bear. And they had that love pillow. Oh my gosh. Oh, and y'all, I was so tempted to get these. Beautiful. They had ruffles and everything. Pink and white stripe with ruffle trim. How beautiful is that? But I had to resist temptation that day. Oh, but I didn't resist temptation with that. I bought that little thing. And look at the towels. Aren't they pretty? They got some really cute. Look at the little doggies. So cute. Oh my gosh. And the bunnies and the lips. Kisses for Valentine's Day. And a kiss bouquet. That was cute. Just so many beautiful decorative towels. Oh my goodness. So many. Little cherries. Cherries are cute. Do y'all like cherries? There's that bear pillow again. She's so cute. I just love her. She's just adorable. Oh, and look at that love pillow. That was so sweet. Oh my goodness. Just so many nice towels. Oh my gosh. And the little Valentine's Day gingerbread house was so adorable, you guys. That was $30 at Ross. And there's the little heart-shaped macaroon. I had to get that. That was just too cute to leave. And the sweet little bunny bowls with the flower shape. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And the little bow base, that was really nice. And then over here, oh, all the adorable little Valentine kitchen towels for your kitchen. Aren't they sweet? So many cute designs. Oh my gosh. And then over here they had the baking molds, like for your muffins or your cupcakes. All the cute little heart designs. So adorable. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Double hearts. I just love that. Oh, okay. And then we went to Hobby Lobby. And I just showed you a little bit of what they had because they had so much. But I thought those were cute. Looks like a little balloon. In pink and in red. And the bow, of course. Those little plates were really cute too. Those little heart-shaped plates with cherries. They were so cheery. Cheery cherries. And the little frame. That Hobby Lobby always has a lot of really cute stuff. So sweet. Oh, and the pink plates. And the bowls. And the red. And the mugs. So sweet. So I just wanted to show y'all real quick some cute little things I got from Ross. For Valentine's Day, I changed my little Valentine's. Maybe some of you saw how I had it before, and this is the new updated cake. Love this cake. And I just put this flower on top. But look, isn't that cute? It's so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that precious? Oh my gosh, it's got the little cherries on it. It's just a little one. Isn't this adorable? Look at that. It's almost like a little heart-shaped cherry, you know. I just thought that was so pretty. Oh my goodness. I just love it. And this, look at this little macaron. This little heart-shaped one. How cute is that with the little heart on top? So pretty. Oh my gosh, I just love it. So yeah, that's to add a little sweetness to my Valentine corner here, my little corner shelves. But and I've got my tree over here. This is my tree. And I'll have to do a whole video of my tree with the lights on and everything. But I wanted to show you that. It's fun. All right, love you guys. Have a blessed day.